What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're doing a GTR POV driving video. So before we get started, I just want to preface everything just to give you guys an idea of, like, you know, why I'm doing this. So before I got this car, I would go on YouTube, I would watch a bunch of POV driving videos just to inspire myself and kind of just live the dream through somebody else's vision. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing for you guys. So today, all I want you guys to focus on is, if you have a dream car, maybe it's the GTR, maybe it's a Lamborghini, maybe it's a Honda Civic, who knows, man. I want you guys to just enjoy this experience with me. I'm gonna ride through these canyons. I don't know if it's considered a canyon or not, but we're just gonna ride this one out. So hope y'all are ready. If you enjoy these videos, hit that like button. And I just want to say before we get started, I'm not going to be going too crazy because this is a road where there's bikers. There are some people that, you know, are going to be on the side of the road. That's what I'm anticipating. But this car right here, I'm super glad that I wasn't able to afford this car when I was younger, because you got to respect the car, bro. Like, this vehicle right here, it goes crazy, and if you're not responsible and if you don't know how to tame yourself, you can cause yourself a lot of issues. So I'm just saying, drive responsibly. I'm going to be driving, I'm going to be enjoying it, but I'm not going to be going too over the top. So if you're here for that kind of content, that's not what it is. I'm just going to be enjoying the car. So let's get it. And just in case you guys were curious about the mod list, I'll leave it up on the screen right here. It essentially has a stage 2 package from SP Engineering. So this car is pushing about 750 horsepower, but I'm driving on the conservative tune right now, so it's not super crazy. I'm driving on pump gas, not E85. So if you guys want to see that, I will do it in the future when I feel more comfortable. But until then, we're just gonna enjoy what we got right here, because this is more than enough. We got a truck in front of us, so we'll see what we can do, man. Oh, hopefully the truck splits. Come on, baby. You going with me the whole way? No, you're not. No, you're not. Was through a canyon like this, so it kind of gives me a little bit of anxiety. Like, my hands are feeling a little clammy. I'm trying to be really careful with you guys. we go? Left or right? Mount Eden Road, Stevens Canyon Road. We're going straight. Also, another thing we gotta be careful of is deers crossing. My uncle hit a deer, totaled his car. I'm not trying to hurt Babby out here. Where are we going? Oh, we got a car. I think that was our first car today. Well, we're getting into the nice houses now. Yo, these houses are like anywhere between, I want to say 5 to 10 million bucks. Yo, if I lived here, I'd be ripping through these all day. Getting a little rocky over here. Damn! Okay. All right, bro. We understand. One day. This thing is a monster. Jeez. Got some cherry blossoms ahead. Cherry blossom season. Do we go left or right? I'm gonna go right. Bambi! Yo, these turkeys don't even look real right now. All right, turkeys. I'ma save y'all. It's not Thanksgiving. Damn, that's a beautiful looking bird. He's just ready to go. Let's see. I don't even know where to go, bro. This is beautiful, though. Damn. Hidden driveway. I really don't know how to get out of this, so I'm just gonna keep driving. Bambi! Damn, she got hops. See, that's what I'm afraid of. I'm not trying to hit a deer. I'm not trying to be a murderer of anything. And definitely not a deer. Not today. Narrow lane. Does that mean one lane? Right goes to San Francisco. That sounds like right. Pretty rocky. God, I want to punch it so bad. We're not gonna do it though. Maybe we'll do it on the outside of this bend if there's nobody. There we go. That's it. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure this road is gonna take us back to where we need to be. But again, I just wanted to thank you guys for joining me on this quick little POV GTR ride. And like I said, if you guys enjoy these videos, I'm super down to do more of them. This was actually really fun, something different, getting out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was really anxious before doing this video just because I was getting flashbacks of me getting pulled over or just something going wrong, because every time I try to do something like this, something bad always happens, especially in that Evo that I used to have. So now that I kind of got through this one, I'm down to do more, man. I'm definitely down to do more. This was a really cool experience for me. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys made it to the end of this video without skipping a thing, comment down below your favorite car ever or your dream car. Let's manifest this energy. It's 2021. We still have basically the entire year ahead of us. So let's manifest everything we need to make that possible so we can start 2022 off with a banger. All right, I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and I'm out. Deuces.